Have you ever wanted to capture something on your iPhone screen, like a funny meme or an important message? Taking a screenshot is pretty easy. Let me show you how. First, we need to determine your iPhone model. If your iPhone has a home button like this, we're going to use one method. If your iPhone doesn't have a home button, we're going to use a different method. But don't worry, we'll cover both. For the models that have the home button, here's what you need to do. You're going to hold down the home button and the power button at the same time. If you heard that sound and you saw the screen flash, the picture's saved. For those newer models that don't have the home button, it's just as easy. All you have to do is hold the volume up button and the side button at the same time. If you heard the camera shutter and the screen flash, that means your photo's saved. After you take your screenshot's gonna appear in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. You can tap it to edit, share it, or mark it up. Maybe you need to take a screenshot hands-free. Why don't you try, "Hey Siri, take a screenshot." It's that simple. And that's how you take a screenshot on your iPhone. Quick, easy, and super handy. Happy screenshotting.